What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we're checking out an amazing plugin to create buildings, where you can easily generate entire buildings from simple blockout meshes and add decorations in whatever style. It's from Scan and X and you can check it out through the link in the description. Alright, so as you can see, we can easily generate buildings from simple meshes. I just, was testing with these two other buildings, so let's go ahead and just create a new level. And it's gonna be just basic. And let's go over here and start making our buildings. So the first step is to have a simple mesh in our level. It doesn't matter what type of mesh it is, it's just need to be kind of a blockout style. In my case, I'm gonna go up here into the selection mode and change this to be the modeling mode. And now over here we have this extrude polygon option where I can easily just go ahead and make a simple shape. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and just make this over here, kind of like this, and join it, and then just move it up, and there we go. Press complete, and I'll go back to the selection mode, and there we go. I have my simple building shape in our level, and this is what you want to do. Okay, now of course you can do with custom meshes as from Blender and so on, and you can go ahead and do multiple at the same time. So with that said, once we have the plugin enabled, we can go into the selection mode and change this into the new construction mode. So on here, let's select the building mode and select the mesh in our level that we want to convert it into a building. And now we have some parameters as the ground floor height, the floor height, if we create an interior, if we create a hip roof, which I'll go ahead and just enable, and then some more different parameters for the snapping and so on when you place of the windows, decorations, and so on. In my case, I am going to leave the rest by default and just click on create building. And now, as you can see, the building has been converted, and I have a roof and I have these colors. These colors are indicators to help me place the windows and decoration like details. So if I go now to the kit and I go to the start kit, for example, and go to exterior and go and select this first window over here, I can simply go and start to place this window whenever we can. So I can place one here, I can select this one and place it here. Balcony, put it here, put this one over there, over here, and slowly we build our building, right? Which is it is pretty cool, right? You can also select multiple of them and press C to change between them, right? It's a thing that you can do. And there we go, we start to make our building. And once you're happy with it, right, you can just go back to the selection mode, and there we go, we have the building placed. Now, just so that you see, we actually have an interior floor. So if I change this to be unlit, I go inside, you see there's one floor here, one floor here, and one floor here. But you need to play around with the materials and so on, so to make sure that there's some light coming in from the windows and things like that. But you get the idea, we can easily generate entire buildings with this plugin, and we can do the same process for our entire city or town. And the plugin is currently in progress, there's more features coming in, so I recommend to check them out on Twitter. So now that's it guys, if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Check the plugin with the link in the description. Now yes, with all that said, bye bye.